Do you really know that you can make money online? Yes, that's right. All you need is just a computer or mobile and with the internet connectivity we need. So hey everyone, my name is Soubhagya, and in this video I will talk you about the 5 best ways, or I would say the 5 ways I use to make money online. So isn't that exciting? So let's get started. So welcome back friends. So let's try to understand what are the different income types in the online world. So one of them is called the active type of income and another is passive income. So active income is something you get paid for the work you do. So basically somebody assign you some work and you complete that and you get the work. Just like the same in the offline world where you go to some job and you do the work and you get paid. So it's basically trading your time for money. But in passive income what happens is you put your effort once only. So once you have done your work and you place it there and you get repeatedly money from the same thing. So in online world we called it as earn while we sleep. Okay, so let's go into our first type of income which you can do in online. So that is called freelancing. So what is freelancing? From the name I know most of you might be knowing, but basically it is the providing you services. So just imagine that you are a writer or you're a digital marketer, you know video editing, coding, or you know coding, or you know app development, etc., or graphic designing. So you basically provide all the services online, and there are people over there or the businesses who wants this kind of work to be done. So in order to do that they will hire you, and once you have completed the work they will pay you. So there are different types of website where you can go and register and you can get work from there also. So that is one of the best used platform is Fiverr, and there are other platforms like Freelancer and Upwork. So let's go and see how Fiverr looks. So this is the homepage of Fiverr, and you can see that on the top right I have registered, but here you can see it is switched to selling. So once you log in you will see what kind of services you can avail. So just imagine that I want some kind of whiteboard animated explainer videos. So I can see there are so many people who have bid money for doing the same. So you can see the ranges, their ratings and all those things, and you can hire these people to get your work done. So what are the different services as I told? You can offer graphic designing, digital marketing, writing, video animation, program, business, lifestyle, and many more. So if you want to earn money from this platform, you can go to switch to selling, and there you can register yourself as a person who can get the work done for the business and individual, and once that is done you can earn money from that. Okay, so similarly there is Upwork also, and you can also get work from the freelancer. So the next method to earn money online is from YouTube. Yes, that's right. I think most of you might not be knowing that you can earn money from YouTube, but definitely you can create a YouTube channel. The way you see many videos, those are all placed under a YouTube channel. So once you have created a YouTube channel and it is monetized, you get started getting payment from the Google AdSense, but there are rules to get monetized. So the first rule, you need to have at least 4000 watch hours of watch time on your channel and has to have 1000 subscribers in order to get approved. Now you might be thinking that how much money you can make from YouTube, right? So the answer is you don't have any limit. So it's up to you, the quality of content you are getting and how frequently you are putting your videos on your channel, and that drives traffic and your channel grows. You can earn money from the YouTube. So let me show you in my YouTube channel like how much I have earned and how many videos I have posted, and that will give you a brief idea. Okay, so let's go to my YouTube channel. So here it is. So I am under the dashboard of my YouTube channel. So there you can see on the channel analytics, like I have almost like 2192 subscribers, and you can see that I have earned almost like 40,000 in last 1 year. But the thing is that this is not the limit, and you can see that I have started uploading videos from October 2018. So in last 1 year I have uploaded only 3-4 videos, and that is the reason why my channel doesn't grow much. But still I'm earning almost like 4,000 5,000 every month, and the reason being, which I have told, is that you need to have a good content. So I have few contents like which are ranking on number 1 on YouTube, and that's the reason I'm getting paid from those. uh, YouTube is not only a platform where you can get money by just the ads or the payment from the YouTube, but one thing which I have generated a lot of freelancing work is that I have posted a video on generating real estate ads, and people saw this ad and they have hired me, and that is how I was been working from last 1 year with different clients, and I built up my digital marketing clients from this particular YouTube videos. So this is also way where you can earn money from YouTube, including freelancing if you want. Okay, so the third method is affiliate marketing. So what is basically affiliate marketing is, so affiliate marketing is like you get some kind of commission from a referral link if someone buys using a product from the same. Okay, so basically there are different kinds of affiliate programs in India. One of them is Amazon. So in Amazon, just like you purchase any particular product, but if someone purchase from your shared referral link, then you get some percentage of like 5 to 10% on top of that which that particular person is purchasing. Okay, also you can know Flipkart is also another big e-commerce platform in India. So Flipkart has its own affiliate program also. Okay, so let's see how the Amazon affiliate program looks like. So let's go into the particular platform. So this is the Amazon affiliate dashboard. Here you can see that you can choose any particular product, and you can click code to generate the link. So just see some example. So let's say on this particular there is a book. So if I click the get link and I go to the text only, and from there I create the start link. So if someone clicks on this particular link, then if he or she purchase that particular book, then I would be getting 5 to 10% on that particular product purchase. Okay, so this is how affiliate marketing works. So the fourth method is by becoming an online trainer. So just imagine that you want to share your expertise or knowledge, then you can create an online course and you can enroll students into it. So just like you have seen the example like Byju's and other online platforms, how they are making money, similarly you can create your own course and you can share it, or you can promote it to students or the individual who want to learn that particular skill from you, and in that way you can make money. So various type of things which you can create online courses are like graphic designing, digital marketing, programming technology, business, lifestyle, photography, and many more. Now you might be thinking that where and how you can create these courses, right? The platform which I used to create online course is Teachable. So Teachable is a very slick and easy platform where you can put all your course based on certain kind of like modules, and you can enroll students, you can take the attendance, and you can see how they are progressing. So it is a very good platform in order to create an online course and to sell it to students. Okay, so let's see how the Teachable platform looks like. Go to Teachable. So I have created this one like soubhagyasahoo.teachable.com. so I created a basic digital marketing course, and I have paid courses also which you need to log in order to see. So if you go and see this particular course, if someone comes and clicks this particular course which is free, so they will see, you can see that you can define what these all courses are, you can tell about you, then you can have your course curriculum. Like these are the different kinds of courses patterns which I have given in this particular course, and that's it. And someone wants to enroll into this one, so just they have to click into enroll this course and they will be registered under Teachable account for my online course. So that's so easy. So in this particular period when you are in lockdown or you are at home, then you can definitely try out by creating some courses online and see how it works for you. So till now you have seen all the 4 ways to make money online. So the fifth and the last method by which you can make money online is by becoming a stock trader. Right, so a stock trader is one who sells or buys shares. Okay, so basically this is the method which I have been using from last 3-4 years, though I am not a regular stock trader, but this is the one which I frequently do in order to earn money online. It's like a side income which I do. So I've been doing it from last 3-4 years, and it has given me a good return also. So there are ups and downs also, but definitely that keeps you engaging, and this I would say is one of the high risk high gain kind of method. So how you can become a stock trader? In order to do trading, you need to have a trading account and demat account. So basically trading account and demat account is that when you buy or sell some share, those shares are converted into dematerialized form and are stored in the demat account. And trading account is the platform where you actually transact the buy and sell kind of things in connection with the demat account. So how you can create this trading account and demat account? So I would personally suggest you to go for Zerodha. So Zerodha is a best broking partner platform in India, and there is like a 5-star rating and one of the top growing company in India. The reason why I said Zerodha is because I recently moved into Zerodha from ICICI Direct. So it is one of the platform which offers the cheapest brokerage. And the next is it has a great online platform, like it has a very slick online design which makes trading easy. And as I say, it's the fastest growing broker in India, and most importantly, you can just create your account online in just 5 minutes. So if you want to open an account in Zerodha, I have provided the link in the description below. You can go and you can open an account and see how the things work. But as I said, this particular method is a very high risk, high gain kind of method. So unless and until you don't have a thorough knowledge how this share market works, what are the brokerage charges, how the ups and downs happens, how the global economy is impacting a particular stock, I would suggest you not to go and trade directly unless and until you have a very good training and have a good knowledge about this particular platform. Okay, so these are the 5 ways which you can use in order to make money online. So let's quickly recap the methods. So first one was freelancing, then you can use YouTube, you can do affiliate marketing, you can become an online trainer, and lastly you can do stock trading. Okay, so if you have any questions or queries, comment down below in the comment section and I will try to reply all of your queries. And if you want to connect with me, then you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below. In the end, I just wanted to say that if any of this particular method looks difficult, just remember this, that nothing is easy in this world. So if you try and if you start, then definitely you can achieve and you can succeed. But if you don't even start, then there is no chance of success. Yeah, definitely in the beginning people will demotivate you, people will leave you, they will doubt you that what you are doing, this is not possible. Just the way I did YouTube 1 year back, people have said that I will not get any viewers or any particular money, but I did. If you are having doubt on yourself before starting this particular any of these techniques, just remember, if I can do it, then you can do it too. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, just give the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends or any particular near and dear ones, so that it will help someone to start their career in online world. And this is the right time to enter when the whole world is locked down. So it's better to do something rather than watching only videos on YouTube. You can create your own YouTube channel, or you can try any of the 5 different methods I have talked in this video. So thank you for watching this video. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.